What's up everybody? Welcome back to another recipe on Cook with Cartea. Now y'all seen that thumbnail? Y'all see what we doing today? We're gonna be doing those Southwest chicken egg rolls. Yeah, so I don't know if y'all ever been to Chili's, the restaurant, but you know, they got the Southwest chicken egg rolls. Now today, we're gonna do kind of a copycat, somewhat of our own version of those Southwest chicken egg rolls. So let's go ahead and get into these ingredients that we got right here. Not too many ingredients, but even if it look like it's a lot, it's really not, because you know, the cook is gonna be easy. So we got our ingredients in front of us. We got our chicken breast right here that we just put that in the oven. We're gonna cube that, dice that up. We got some fresh spinach right here. We got some yellow corn right here. We got black beans, green bell pepper, red bell pepper in the back, pepper jack cheese. You can use the slices or you can use the shredded cheese. And then we got our egg roll wraps right here. We got some seasoning, you know, some all-purpose seasoning that we're gonna use. And also on the side, we're gonna be making a Chipotle ranch dip. So we're gonna get into that later on though. But first, let's go ahead and get into our mixture. Before we get started putting everything in the pan, we got a little bit of prep work to do. We just gotta chop up those vegetables. So we're gonna start off chopping up our bell peppers. All right, y'all, so vegetables chopped up. We got our skillet right here. To that, we added our red bell peppers and the green bell peppers along with some oil. And we also gonna go ahead and add our onions there too. You know, give this a mix. Let these cook down. Get translucent, let those flavors combine, come out of those vegetables, those onions. We on a medium heat right now. We'll give us another few minutes and we're gonna start adding everything else in. All right, y'all, so we let those vegetables cook down. Now, we can go ahead and start adding in the rest of our ingredients. We're gonna add those black beans in there. And we're gonna add that corn. To this mixture, you can go ahead and add some all-purpose seasoning in there. And then I'm gonna add a little crushed red pepper. All right, y'all, so now we at a good point where we can go ahead and add in some of that fresh spinach. So we're just gonna mix this spinach in. And then the last thing that we're gonna add is that chicken that we chopped up. Y'all see how that spinach cooked down? Now we did kill the heat because, you know, we don't really need to do too much more cooking. So now we're at a point where we can go ahead and add that chicken in there. Put that chicken in the oven, season it up, oil it up, season it up, put the chicken in the oven, 400 degrees for, you know, depending on how big your chicken breast is. 400 degrees, you could do 25 to about 25, 35, 40 minutes. You just want to make sure that that internal temperature is at 165, and then you're good. Got our mixture done. Now, next stage we're gonna go into, last stage before we fry, is wrapping those egg rolls. So we got our egg roll wrap right here. And we're gonna go ahead and wrap some egg rolls up while we wait for our oil to come up to temp. We're gonna let that oil get to about 350, and then yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get some of these going. So we got our wraps right here, we got our mixture right here, and then we got a little water right there too. So we're gonna start off with one of our egg roll wraps. Take a wrap like that. Take some of your mixture. Make sure you get a little bit of everything in there. With that pepper jack cheese. And you're just gonna take it. Make sure that you kind of tuck it good. Roll it over one time. Get those corners in there. Put that water. And then just hit the ends with some water. Help it stick. Like that. And then you're just gonna finish rolling just like that. We're gonna keep doing these, and then we just gonna set them off to the side. We still waiting for that oil to come up to temp, and then we're gonna start frying some of these. All right, y'all, so we got some egg rolls rolled up. Oil is up to temp. So let's go ahead and start dropping some of these in here. So I'm gonna do a few at a time because, you know, I don't want to overcrowd the pan. I also don't want it to overflow. We're gonna let these do their thing for about 3 to 5 minutes aside. Now, if you had them submerged, then, you know, it wouldn't necessarily be aside. You could do maybe about 6 to 8 minutes, and, you know, till they get that golden brown, that nice crispy texture, then you know you're good. So yeah, we're gonna let these keep frying, get crispy, and let them do their thing, and then we just gonna pull them out, put some more in, and we're gonna be done cooking soon, y'all. Y'all see the first few they done. Y'all see that color? That golden brown, that's what we want. All right, y'all, so as y'all know, egg rolls, they done. Now we gonna make that dip. We gonna make that Chipotle ranch dip. We gonna start off with some Japanese mayo. You can use regular mayo if you want to, but the Japanese mayo, it take it to the next level. A little bit sweeter. We're gonna add some sour cream. Instead of using sour cream, you could use Greek yogurt. The sour cream adds some tanginess, some richness, and kind of like smooth out the consistency as well. We're gonna add some cilantro paste. We're gonna add some dill paste. All-purpose seasoning. We're gonna add some fresh dill in there. We're gonna add crushed red pepper. And right here, the last thing, the star of the show, we'll make it that Chipotle. We're gonna add those. We're gonna add 1 Chipotle from that Chipotle adobo. Now you can add 1 or 2 depending on, you know, your spice tolerance. But this is just 1. It's just 1 chili chopped up. Then also, if you want a little bit more spice, you can add some of the sauce in there too. And then we just gonna add the juice of 1 lime. Just a mix. All right, y'all, so as y'all see, Southwest chicken egg rolls with that Chipotle ranch on the side. Yeah, we all done. So let's go ahead, get in here for a taste test. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, look, we done. That's it. Pretty simple recipe. Now, you can make that Chipotle ranch on the side if you want to. You don't have to. You can make an avocado ranch. You can make a regular ranch, or, you know, do what you want. But y'all definitely got to make sure that y'all make those Southwest chicken egg rolls at the crib. Now, I appreciate y'all, and I thank y'all. We just hit 200 subscribers. Now look, we just going up and up and up. So make sure y'all stay tuned for what's yet to come. We got some more recipes. Y'all don't know where I'm going next with it. Yeah, I'm just surprise y'all. Bunch of recipes, bunch of fire recipes. Look, we gonna make it all. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Continue to tune in. Again, I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned and come back for the next recipe on CookWithCartea. Y'all be safe. See y'all on the next one.